different releases from streetwear brands to Nike, Adidas, Puma, Reebok, and everything else. It's going to be crazy, and Klay Thompson is a player who has definitely been shining and should make the All-Star team. Even though I'm not a Golden State Warrior fan, he definitely should make the All-Star team. Him and ANTA has came together with a crazy shoe, as you guys can see right here, the KT4 All-Star Weekend Edition. It is super fire. I want to know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Is this fire or trash? Is this a cop or pass? I'm not sure how limited these things will be, or if they will be a nationwide release, or if you only can get them online. But these things are hard, bro. I'm curious to see what they look like on feet. If you are somebody out there watching this video and you currently own any one of Klay Thompson's shoes, specifically the KT4, let me know what you guys think about these shoes on the court, as well as how they add up against other shoes. Let us know in the comment section below. Share that with us, because I have never had my hands on a KT4. I haven't seen one in person, but these right here are pretty dope. The whole midsole has a collage, a cartoon collage that represents different highlights of Klay Thompson's career. The whole upper has like 4 or 5, maybe like 6 patches that are removable, interchangeable, representing his dog Rocco, as you see right there. Different highlights of his career, all-star appearances and such things. The packaging comes pretty much elaborate. It has the same collage all over the box that is on the midsole of the shoe. I'm not sure the retail price of these things, but they do release All-Star Weekend 2019, and the box says Charlotte 2019, so I don't know if it's going to be exclusively released out there, but these things are dope. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on these things. Like I said, this is my first time ever talking about an ANTA shoe, a Klay Thompson shoe. This is my first time, but these things are pretty fire. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Who's gonna try and get their hands on these things, man? I want to bring you guys different shoes. I seen this shoe. I think it's fire regardless of the player. Hopefully it's dope, man. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. When life gives you lemons, you gotta make some lemonade, bruh. Have a great day. Peace.